Friday, the 19th of March, the supermoon arrives. That means the moon's at apogee, and it means it's at the closest point to the Earth. And the scientists and experts tell us that that's got no influence on the Earth. Scientists and experts are often wrong. Look at the tides of the Earth, how the moon pulls the water around the Earth, pulling it up meters high, dragging it around the world. Then you think about all these land masses, the tectonic plates, they're all floating on a bed of lava. So if the moon can pull all the oceans around the world and cause high and low tides, why does it have no effect on the tectonic plates, the land masses, which are basically like pieces of a jigsaw floating on the molten core of the Earth? Perhaps the moon is not strong enough in itself, the gravitational pull, to cause these tectonic plates to move. But if they're already under amount of stress, and then just the straw comes that breaks the camel's back, why shouldn't that full moon have an influence? And why are the experts and scientists always so keen to say that it's just nonsense and it's non-scientific speculation? When was that last supermoon? 2004, 2005? And at the same time there was that massive earthquake in Indonesia. And now we're coming up to the supermoon on the 19th of March. Look what's happened in Japan. Look what happened in New Zealand a couple of weeks ago. I don't believe these scientists, experts. I prefer to believe what's going on in front of my own eyes. You can call me a nutcase if you want, a lunatic. But why does it have no effect? Of course it has an effect. The moon has an effect on everything, on the seas, on women's menstrual periods, everything. It's like the scientists who say a nuclear meltdown is just about impossible. It could happen, but just about impossible. Why has there been a handful of nuclear meltdowns if it's impossible? Sometimes makes me wonder where these experts are coming from.